Hello, Barbara Ragsdale here, independent maker with close to my heart. And I wanted to show you really quick the contents of the Gnomes for Spring card making workshop. So if you're into gnomes and you love spring, this paper and coordinating cardstock is gorgeous. Now let me show you what's included in with the kit. With the Gnomes for Spring card making workshop kit, you can get what I'm about to show you for $25.95. That is the discounted price. And for that, you get your Gnomes for Spring card making stamp set. Now, if you're not familiar with Close to My Heart, each of the stamp sets do come with their own foam mat. You can see that foam mat there to help you with your stamping. So you get your stamp set. You're going to get some patterned paper, and let me show this to you. Look at this. Spring gnomes. Spring gnomes. And the flip side to that is this particular image where you have a bunch of different spring type images. And then, of course, you have your zip strip up at the top that you can use as well. The second piece is this sort of patterned. Sorry about the lines. I'm going to try to keep this down a little bit. The square kind of, they're not necessarily gingham. It doesn't remind me of gingham, but they're square and kind of sideways, if that makes any sense. And then the flip side to that is a bunch of clouds. And then you have a pretty zip strip there up at the top. And this one is lined. And the flip side to that is all of these spring type sayings in these circular motions. And then you have your check gingham. That's more gingham to me. Zip strip up there. You also have your coordinating cardstock, and you're going to get a 12 by 12 sheet of Flamingo. Let me do this. Flamingo. This is Limeade, Jade, Glacier, honey butter, and a sheet of white daisy. On top of that, you're going to get a package of these acrylic shapes that you can use on your cards as well. And this kit has enough supplies to create 6 cards. So you have all of your envelopes. Some of my envelopes have folded into each other, but your envelopes and then your card bases that are already cut for you and already pre-scored for you. Is that not awesome? So for $25.95, you can get this entire kit. Bring all these little pieces out here for you so you can see, spread them out there. There you go. And if you're not interested in the stamp set, you can still get the kit itself, all the other pieces for $20.95. So make sure you check out the event description for the details and my online ordering website where you can go get your kit today. And I will see you in the next video.